guys, for this video, is gonna play this thing. We call it like, I don't know, we call survival craft. That's what I think. Survival craft. Yep. I don't know what. I think I'm in day 6. I didn't video because I just want to start a YouTube channel, and this is what I want to play. And if there time, no, I'm gonna grow, and yep, I'll be playing some, you know, guys, some new what some other games, but for now, in just the ano, no, sa una pa lang, gusto ko pa lang start ng channel. So this is the time na I'm gonna use this as opportunity to create a YouTube channel, and this is gonna be my first video on the channel because I think this is what I'm gonna do now. And I'm gonna talk about this because this game, I like it so much, and it has a good graphics. Good, you know what I mean, guys? Like, kita nyo naman graphics niya. I mean, just low device, Android, and I want it because, yep, it's cool. You can play it in multiplayer though, and if you want to know this, guys, go in the Play Store, and yep, there you can download and enjoy the game. It's just a good game, bro. Not gonna lie. It's not. And this is focuses in you are surviving in the middle of the ocean because your airplane, I don't know where he's going, but there you go. They crash. I don't know why, but yep. And it's gun. You know what I mean is that gun, that because if you see some like cargo, like you know, I think I don't have a gun right now, bro. Oh shit, no. This ain't good. Oh, I don't have that gun. So I have some bullets, guys, but I don't have any gun. So what are we gonna do there? What should we gonna do, guys? What? I don't have a gun, so the gun we call it's like, I don't know what we call it, but if you shoot it in the air, you can get some stuff from that. You know what? That there. Oh, Diyos ko. I don't know. Barko. O, barko yun. Oo, guys. It's just a first ano, kasi I just wanted to start the YouTube channel because, yep, it's gonna help some people, you know. So, yep, I hope you guys want videos like this, and soon I will be, you know what you call that thing, in this how you craft, you call that thing like, I don't know what you call that, but I think it's called face cam, like that, because I don't have any cameras or what. I just have my own phone, only one phone, like that, and I just want to grow, and I want to play some games though. So I said to myself, why not I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. Like, okay, it's raining, and I think this might be good because, but in first thing, guys, I know YouTube is hard, but if you pursue, like, parang ano, pursige ba, you can do it. Kahit mahirap, I know you can do it. If you want it, you can do it. Like that. Like motto, like that type of thing. Yan sa mga ibig ng mga sumuko dyan. Guys, remember why you started. Like that. Ganun lang. I wanna start a channel to, you know, a lot of things. I just want to do some things, you know what I mean? Oh, we're almost close to leveling up. Oh no, the shark is about to attack. But, oh no, I am not. I'm not gonna. It's too far, bro. I might just repair that. Yep, eat it, bro. It's okay. This is just a short video, guys, because I think my memory will end up soon. Okay, we have a new recipe. What we call that? Okay. Okay, that's the thing. We call it like a big seed. Like when you want to plant some things and you want a bigger plot like that. Oh no, I want that thing. No, 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 no. What should I get? Oh shit, oh, shit. Wait, don't go, don't go. Shit. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Yep. I don't think if you get this, I don't know what's gonna happen, but do you get this like it's your house now like that? I don't know, guys, kasi ngayon lang ako nakakuha ng ganito. Hindi ko magta-try ako noon magkuha ng ganito, but it's kinda hard, so oh shit, I'm gonna die. Sorry about it. Hey. Oh no, that's the pirate. Hey yo. Yo. What is this? I don't know what is this. Supply power. Wait, what? What do I do with this? It might be useful soon, guys. Why is it not doing that, bro? Why is it not doing? I hope it doesn't get away, guys. Like, you know, this is some school thing, bro. Real, bro, real. I hope this doesn't, get out, because this is cool. For real, bro. This is. I want this to become my second place of my rough. Like that, and yep, this is it. Nah, it's still a no. 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 Okay. I'm get down here. Understand it. No. Wait. I want to get something in this works. It works, guys. Let's do it. Crush this. Oh shit. Should I crush this? Okay. I feel good about this. But yep. Oh no, where I am. Oh, hey. Either I'm like. Okay, let's go there. No, why? Seaweed. Okay, alright. Okay, guys, for today's video, thanks for watching, and hope you all support me, bro. And I'm from Philippines, guys, so I don't know why I'm speaking English, just want to entertain people. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.